Quick tip about these Tohatsu motors. When you're shifting, just shift fast. Don't be going slow. It's in neutral right now. You want to go in forward, fast. Don't be messing around going slow thinking you're grinding gears. No, you'll mess up the gears by going slow. It's just like in a four-wheel drive, like in my Jeep. When you're going to low high, or a high four-wheel drive or four-wheel drive low. You want to go in reverse? Fast. From forward directly into reverse. Don't go to neutral and then reverse. You're just going to grind the gears. You're just going to grind the gears. That's not what you want. You want to go from reverse to forward? Fast. You do that, you won't burn out your foot. But if you go trying to get it in neutral and then ease it in, you're just gonna ruin everything. You're gonna mess up your foot. You're gonna be buying another foot.